Hello?
Sup?
Sugmer.
Yes. Hi, what's up?
I think my drink's been spiked.
Damn, you guys are hot.
Thank you.
Are you guys making? Oh, don't. Okay. So are you guys like making TikTok or something? What happened to her?
What's she saying?
Is she all right? Wait, I have something for you. I have a wait.
Is a drink has been spiked?
I have something for you which will make her good. Wait. Yes, that's good. That's good. Now she's alive. I bring her back.
Thank you for reminding me.
I love you.
I love you too. Love you too.
What are you drinking, by the way?
We're drinking boba and bottle.
Boba? I also have one.
What's your name?
My name is Raj Kutrapalli.
Pardon me?
Raj. You can call me Raj.
Oh, we know Raj. How old are you?
I am 21. How old are you?
We're 14. Are you okay?
Hey, do you think I'm gay?
I don't know. Maybe you are.
Or do you think I am?
Maybe you can.
What?
Then you're right, Daddy.
Hi, what's up? Turung turung. Turung turung. Wake up. Hi,
Hi.
what's up?
Nothing much.
I like your outfit, that red one, that Mickey Mouse one.
Oh, huh.
No, I also like your outfit.
Okay, thanks.
So what is that? What are your cosplay? She's Mickey, and what are you?
Normal.
Like me?
Normal.
Like me. Okay. So are you guys from Scotland?
Yeah.
Like from Helensburgh? Okay, I can guess more, I can guess more.
Okay, that's fucking scary.
Hi, what's up?
Hi, what's up?
Good. Where are you guys from? Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Japan. Wait.
Where are you from?
How to say I love you in Japan language?
In Japanese, that's 愛してる.
Damn, son.
Thank you.
Yes.
So where are you from? Where
I'm
are you
I'm from India.
Are you from Korea?
India.
Because I think we can eat domain.
Are you like do you watch anime?
No, I'm not a fan of anime.
Okay, so what are you fan of?
I'm a fan of Universe.
Okay. Like me.
अबे साले
You like Universe?
I like universe.
You
And
like
I found you in the universe.
you like the star and everything?
What?
Do you like the star? The star, the
Yes, I like it.
galaxy?
愛してる.
Yes.
Yeah, so like even if there was not a
愛
gravity
し
on
て
this
る.
earth.
Yes, I definitely like it. Everything, the sky and the sun and the moon.
愛してる.
Yeah. I mean, like, even if there was not a
Ice
gravity on this earth.
Exactly. We can, sit together and gaze some
I
stars.
see.
Bhagi. Hi, what's up?
Hi.
Do you know what is cringe? This is cringe.
Can't see it. It's too white.
This is cringe. प्यार तुझे जीना है बचपन का प्यार मेरा भूल नहीं जाना रे.
Hi.
Hi, what's up?
Do you think I look like the baby?
The who? Yes.
Baby.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Hello, man.
Hi, what's up?
What's up, man?
Good, bro. How are you?
I'm good, man. Can I know your name?
My name is Raj.
You are from India, I guess.
Yes, I'm from India, bro.
Okay. Can I tell your location, man?
I can tell your location to you, bro. You are from Telangana. You are from Hyderabad. Your IP is
Yeah, bro.
4937156196. I need to know. You're
You need to know.
exciting, boy. Don't find me.
Your eyes tell me. You're
So fine. Yes, I like it. I like it. Where are you from, by the way? Tell me.
Australia.
Australia. Okay, that's Australia. I think the capital of Australia is Melbourne. No.
No, I don't think so.
Oh wait. What is the capital of Australia? Wait. Scott Morrison. No. He's prime minister. Wait. What is the capital? I forgot. I'm so sorry. What is the capital of Australia? You also don't know. You are googling it. Oh shit.
It's Canberra.
Oh you googled it. You googled it. Oh.
Yeah, I did.
Oh. I thought you don't know the capital of Australia. Oh my.
I thought it was Perth or Sydney.
What you drinking, brother?
It's bro like it's water.
Hey, stay hydrated, my boy.
Yeah, you too, bro.
Anna, good job, Anna.
Anna?
Anna.
I'm not Anna, bro. Where are you from, by the way? Just tell me.
I'm Australian, bro, but I work at an Indian restaurant with my boys. With my
Okay.
Indians.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's really awesome. What do you guys serve?
Dosa Hut, that's what they call it, dosa.
Oh, dosa. Okay, like South Indian. Dosa, idli, vada, sambar. That's
Yeah.
really good, bro. That's
They
really
serve
good.
like chicken, and they serve chicken 63 or something. Do you have that? Chicken 63?
Like, what does it have? Like, what is special in chicken 63?
It's like
Chicken 69.
but
But you should try chicken 69 once.
Is that even a thing?
Yes, chicken 69. You know when chicken are having 69, they just. भाग गया.
कुछ भी
Hi, what's up?
Hi, what's up?
Good. Where are you from?
Thailand.
Sawadi khas.
Okay.
What's going on?
You're from India.
Yes. How do you know?
You look like India. It's so easy.
Okay, right. I'm Indian, and my accent is Indian, right?
Yes.
Yes.
How old are you?
I am 23. How old are you? 20.
Yes.
You are 20.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh my
It's
God.
real.
You are.
Why?
You are in legal age. So, like, do you have like any like boyfriend or something?
No.
I can be your boyfriend.
I think no.
Why?
I don't know.
We can give a try, and like we can talk, and everything is possible in this world.
You like Thai girl?
I like what?
Thai girl?
Yes. I like Thai women, Thai girls, and I also like Thai curry.
What are you looking for, Omega?
I'm looking for a Thai girlfriend.
Oh.
Yes. So you can give me your Instagram or something, so we can talk, and like.
Why you like Thai girl?
Because Thai girls are beautiful and they are nice people, like you.
Have you ever been to Thai?
No, I really want to go to Thai. I want to eat so many like kide makode, that bugs, and I have watched many videos on YouTube. Kide, bugs, bugs.
What?
अरे bugs कीड़े क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Like cockroach and क्या बोलते हैं? Like thing like grasshopper and silkworm. People eat, right? Street food. I want to eat that. I also want to like crocodile. I want to eat crocodile.
Like
Crocodile. मगरमच्छ. Crocodile. Alligator.
no, I don't know.
ऐसे मगरमच्छ. You don't know?
No.
Okay, it's okay then. So I can come then. We can go together and we can eat. So, अबे भाग गया यार ये. खिलस गई है। अरे हाँ यार, हे दे डेलाला के मिनट तो रुक ही नहीं रहे, तो शायद तुम्हें नहीं पता, हे दे डेलाला ऑलरेडी आ चुका है मेरे दूसरे चैनल पे, तो जाओ उसको देखो, वॉच करो, सुनो, एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना उस वाले को, क्योंकि उसमें व्लॉग्स, गेमिंग एंड स्टोरी टाइम काफ़ी सारी चीज़ आने वाली है। बहुत जल्द एक व्लॉग आने वाला है, तो जाओ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और डिस्कॉर्ड भी ज्वाइन कर लेना यहाँ से।